Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to install AI-based noise suppression plugin for Audacity. I am using OBS Studio to record all my videos. I am also using Refine mic to record the videos. I have set some filters for this particular mic. If I go to the filters of this mic, you will be able to see there are multiple filters which I have been using, and I have tried many filters. Some of them worked, some of them did not work, and I have stopped using all this. I have turned off all these filters. Now I am only using these filters. You can see all these filters has been turned on. For noise suppression, basically you have two options. One is RN noise and the other one is speaks. What I have done is, if you click on default for speaks, it will be at minus 30 decibels. I have set to minus 28. And for compressor, these are the settings which I am using. And for noise gate, these are the settings which I am using now. For 3-band equalizer, for high, I have set it to 2. And for mid, it is minus 5 decibels. And for low, it is 3.5 decibels. Limiter, it is minus 4. And release is 60 milliseconds. So these are the settings which I am currently using. It is good, but it is not better. If you want it, you can also try these settings if you have some kind of noise whenever you record the videos. I will close this. Let us go to the installation of the AI noise suppression plugin. And this plugin is available in GitHub. This is the exe file which you need to download and install. I have already downloaded the Audacity software and the plugin. So this is the software which I am using. The Audacity software is .6.4. I'll close this and I will install this plugin. This plugin is called OpenVino AI plugin. This is basically artificial intelligence based noise suppression plugin for Audacity. I will click on setup. I will click next. I will choose the default location and I will leave it to default. It is going to take some time. I'll pause the video and come back when the installation starts. I'll click on install. It is going to extract the files. Let us wait for some time and see how much time it is going to take to completely do the installation. Basically what I will do is, I will keep the video as it is and I will have two parts of the same video. One with the AI based noise suppression and one without the AI based noise suppression audio. So the installation is asking me to do some settings. We need to enable this feature here. We need to go to this option mod OpenVino, and this option is available in preferences, modules and mod OpenVino. We'll go to Audacity, and inside the Audacity, if you go to edit, preferences, then you have the modules. Inside the module, this, if it is not enabled, you can enable. So this is the option which we need to enable. And I'll click on OK. I have extracted the audio. I will use the Audacity again. This is the file which I have extracted, and I will select Ctrl A to select the entire audio clip. I will go to Effect, then I will select OpenVino Noise Suppression, and I'll click on apply. This is the second part of the audio clip from where we started using the Audacity. From here, I'll be using the noise suppressed audio clip, and the other part will be without noise suppression. It is going to take some time to do the noise suppression. So the noise suppression is complete. You can check both the parts of the audio and see which one comes better. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.